Hi everyone, welcome to my video. For this assignment, we had to create a screencast review of a professional website. Since I am planning on becoming a teacher for my future career, I decided to review a professional teacher's website. When I first clicked on the link to enter the website, it took me directly to Miss Megan Carnegie Professional Teaching Portfolio homepage. I really like the colorful yet professional heading that this website has. I really like the colorful aspect of the heading, but I would suggest changing the side parts of the website to be a lighter color. Maybe make it a lighter gray. The picture on the top left-hand part of the page adds color to the page, and it gives me a sense of what she looks like. When I scroll down to the bottom of the home page, I noticed that she lent out her email address to visitors of the site. I thought putting her contact information was a good idea, especially if anyone had questions to ask her. This site is very easy to navigate due to the different content listed near the top of the page, right here. The second piece of content in her website is her resume and letters of recommendation. I like that she added these items to her professional website because it shows her credibility and the passion that she has for teaching. The next section on her website is her teaching philosophy. As I click through each of these sections, I notice pictures on every page. I like how she added pictures to every page because I like colors and it makes scrolling through her portfolio more interesting. The next few pieces of the content are the internship, classroom management, and more. One more thing that I would suggest changing would be the captions underneath the pictures in the social studies section. I would suggest putting each caption underneath the picture that it corresponds with. Overall, I love the easy use access on our professional website. Each piece of content on the top of the page works when I click it. The PDF file works as well on the resume page. One question that I do still have is for my personal professional website, is what is the right amount of pictures and text to use on a page? Thank you all for watching.